Chicken pieces, 1 kg. Chana dal, 500 g. Wash and soak, 2 hours. After 2 hours, garlic cloves, 6 to 7 green chilies, 2-inch piece of ginger. Chopped ginger and green chilies. Black pepper 1 tsp, 2 tsp coriander, seeds crushed, 1 tsp cumin, seeds crushed, cinnamon stick, black cardamom, 7 to 8 cloves. Chicken adding cooker. Add soak dal. Add garlic, ginger, green chilies. Add dry garam masala. A quarter tsp, red chili powder. Salt to taste. Add dry mint leaves. Add 4 cup water. Mix well and cover with the lid, 30 minutes, medium to low flame. After steam release, open the lid. Chicken put in plate. And remove the bones. Water should be dry and shredded chicken. Add 1 egg. One tsp lemon juice. Small onion chopped, 1 tsp ginger chopped, half bunch green coriander, 3 to 4 green chilies chopped. Add in chicken and dal mixture. Mix well and make a kebab. One by one make all kebab. It's ready to fry. Kebab add in oil. After few seconds, change the side. Both sides are golden brown color, put in plate. Ready to eat? Serve with ketchup and mayonnaise, or any sauce would you like. Coon Food Official.